This is a really useful garden plant. It's called pineapple sage. It's one of your standard herbs that you can buy at most nurseries. Notice it has the lovely red flowers. The thing I like about it is that ours is a bird garden. We love attracting birds, and native birds like the eastern spinebill, I suppose western spinebill, all of those, many of them will come and drink the nectar out of the flowers. So it's important to remember you don't have to plant only native plants if you want to feed your native birds. So yes, native plants like grevilleas and banksias and that, they're wonderful. Banksias particularly because they produce nectar through the cooler months, winter and that in the year. But this is also a plant that many of the native birds will come to get their nectar from. However, it's a herb. It does have a pineapple smell to it, lovely sweet. It's a flavour that you sort of want to have a bit of a taste of. You can chop this up and put it in salads. You can use it with chicken dishes, can just used as garnish. There's a whole range of things that this can be used for in cooking. You can again have the fun of going online and finding out how to use pineapple sage. But the important point to remember is there's many plants that produce nectar and so on. In fact, even camellias, Sasanqua camellias will attract king parrots, they'll attract rainbow lorikeets and so on. There's a lot of non-native plants which serve two purposes, this one three, but two purposes. One is obviously they're pretty and you look at them. Two, they feed the native birds. Of course, three, in this case, you can eat it. Not bad. Pineapple sage. Oh, and one last thing. Chooks like to eat it too.